Hello students, Namaste. So now we are in lesson 14 and the title for this lesson is, as you can see, मैं यहाँ हूँ, मैं यहाँ हूँ, मैं यहाँ हूँ. English translation, I'm here, nothing new, very simple. So let's go directly to the lesson story. Lesson story is Raju and students are leaving for their hometown tomorrow morning. This tour was successful and they are happy, but now they have to decide a meeting point for their departure, and let's see how that conversation goes. So there are 5 sentences in this lesson. I'm going to read them slowly, try to repeat after me. हमारी बस होटल के सामने है. हमारी बस होटल के सामने है. Alright? के सामने is a postposition. क्या हम a question. क्या हम होटल के बाहर मिल रहे हैं? क्या हम होटल के बाहर मिल रहे हैं? ये बाहर postposition again. नहीं, हम रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर मिल रहे हैं. नहीं, हम रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर मिल रहे हैं. फोर्थ इस वे हमारे पीछे आ रहे हैं. वे हमारे पीछे आ रहे हैं. And fifth sentence question, आप सामान के बिना आ रहे हैं? आप सामान के बिना आ रहे हैं? So these were the 5 sentences. Now let's discuss the grammar and the structure used in these sentences. Alright? The first one is हमारी बस होटल के सामने है. हमारी बस होटल के सामने है. Bus is considered feminine in Hindi. Alright? I don't know why. Probably because bus is similar to gadi. Wagon, the translation of wagon, we call wagon gadi in Hindi. Gadi is feminine, so bus is also considered feminine. Probably that's the reason. हमारी बस होटल के सामने है. के सामने is a postposition. के सामने is in front of. So our bus is in front of the hotel. Right? Now let's see the second sentence. क्या हम होटल के बाहर? क्या हम are we होटल के बाहर? के बाहर again a postposition, compound postposition. Outside or out of. के बाहर मिल रहे हैं. मिलना, the verb here is मिलना, to meet, conjugated in present continuous. Are we meeting outside hotel? Outside the hotel? क्या हम होटल के बाहर मिल रहे हैं? नहीं, no. हम रेस्टोरेंट के अंदर मिल रहे हैं. We are meeting inside. के अंदर is inside. we're meeting inside the restaurant, right? वे हमारे पीछे आ रहे हैं, हमारे पीछे, हमारे पीछे, हम विद के पीछे, हमारे पीछे. They are coming behind us. आ रहे हैं. The verb आना to come conjugated in present continuous. And then the fifth sentence is आप सामान के बिना आ रहे हैं. आप सामान के बिना आ रहे हैं. क्वेश्चन, आप सामान के बिना आ रहे हैं. के बिना is without. And saman is luggage. Are you coming without your luggage? आप सामान के बिना आ रहे हैं. Alright, so these were 5 postpositions that I wanted to teach you in this lesson. Alright, now let's see the exercises. We have to translate these sentences in Hindi. So let's do that. So here we have to translate these sentences into Hindi, but before that, let me switch off the camera so that we have more space for answers. These sentences are with postpositions, right? Now, we are inside the cinema. हम cinema के अंदर. Cinema is cinema in Hindi as well. हम cinema के अंदर हैं. Simple. We all are meeting at Ram's house. We all, हम सब. राम के घर पर. राम के घर पर मिल रहे हैं. मिलना, meeting. Conjugated in present continuous. With हम. Ram eats food without sugar. राम चीनी के बिना खाना, present simple, खाना खाता है. पिता देती. चीनी is sugar. चीनी के बिना, without sugar. Right? He is having food in front of the TV. वो और ये टीवी के सामने, टीवी के सामने खाना, फूड, having, eating, खा रहा है, is eating, is having food in front of the TV. What are you doing outside my house? तुम outside my house, मेरे घर के बाहर, घर के बाहर, outside the house. What are you doing outside my house? तुम मेरे घर के बाहर क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing? करना, conjugated in present continuous. Again, what's happening inside the church? The verb to happen, to become, and to be. is होना. So what's happening inside the church? Church के अंदर. Church के अंदर. क्या? What? हो रहा है. हो, root of होना. What's happening inside the church? So these were the 6 sentences. Now let's see other things in this lesson. You can check explanation notes. There are a few more examples I've given here. Right? Revision, nothing much to do. We have already revised. So that's all for this lesson. I will see you in the next. Bye.